Hi dear students, welcome to another session of Brainiacs doubt clearance. So I hope you could see the question here. This question I feel it is very important because it has not asked for Neet for the previous years. So I will just read the question. Chlorine is prepared in the laboratory by treating manganese dioxide with aqueous hydrochloric acid according to the reaction given below. How many grams of HCl react with 5 grams of manganese dioxide? Okay, so this is the question. So from this we could see here the equation is balanced actually. So if you see here 4 hydrogens are there, here also 4 hydrogens are there and 4 chlorine atoms, and here we could see 2 chlorine atoms of MnCl2 and another 2 chlorine atoms are present in chlorine molecule, and 2 oxygen atoms are there, and MnO2 there are 2 oxygen atoms. So it is a balanced chemical equation. Okay, now listen here. The main thing here is they are asking you how many HCl, that is grams, mass of HCl. They are asking how many grams of HCl you need for reacting with the 5 grams of manganese dioxide. Now many students will have doubt. They will come and ask me, sir, how will we know whether a limiting reagent is present in this question or not? I always say to my students that if there is only given quantity is given only for one stuff, that is manganese dioxide alone, they have given the value 5 gram. That is given is the mass of only one reactant is given. In those cases, limiting reagent will not be present. We will take hydrochloric acid, we will calculate it. Okay, so this is an important point to remember. If for one reactant only they have given the mass or number of molecules or anything, in that case there will not be any limiting reagent. Now the standard procedure is we need to balance the chemical equation, but for this question they have given the balanced chemical equation. So we will do this by stoichiometric method. So now tell me which and all quantities we need to relate here. We need to relate here between hydrochloric acid and manganese dioxide. So as per the balanced chemical equation, what is the stoichiometric ratio of this reaction? Okay, I will write the stoichiometric ratio. So if you see the stoichiometric ratio, we could see the value is 4:2:1:2:1:1. Okay, from this I know that 4 moles of HCl needed 1 mole of MnO2, manganese dioxide. Correct? Now what is 4 moles of HCl? We need to take it in mass. I know that 4 into mass of 1 mole of HCl, how much it will weigh? 1 plus 35.5. so this much gram HCl needs 1 mole of MnO2. So what is the mass of manganese? We know it is 55 plus oxygen, 16 into 2, 32. So this much gram of MnO2. Okay, so this was 55 plus 32 will be its molar mass because it is 1 mole. Now 36.5 will be the molar mass of HCl. 4 moles are there, so we are multiplying by 4. Okay, so now what is this value will become? 4 into 36.5. This will come around 146 gram. 146 gram HCl needed. Okay, needed how much gram? 50 plus 30, 80, 87. Correct, 87 gram MnO2. So this is what we are deriving from stoichiometry. Now what they have asked in what they have given in the question, 5 gram of manganese oxide. So from this we know that 87 gram MnO2 needed 146 gram HCl. But in the question they are asking 5 gram of manganese dioxide needed how many gram HCl. So what we will do, first we will convert 87 gram to 1 gram. How you can do that? Divide by 87. So this will become 1 gram MnO2. So when you divide by 87 gram, this will become 1 gram. When you are dividing on the RHS, divide on the LHS also. So this will become 146 by 87 gram HCl. Now read it. 1 gram MnO2 needed 146 by 87 gram HCl. But are they asking 1 gram MnO2? They have given you 5 gram MnO2, 5 gram manganese oxide. So how can you convert 1 gram MnO2 5 gram multiplied by 5? So this will become 5 gram MnO2. When you are multiplying on the RHS, multiply also on the LHS. So this will become 146 by 87 into 5 gram HCl. So I can say that this is my answer. So this value will be my answer. So what is that value actually? So if you check that value will come around 8.4. So this value, I will write it in another color. So this value will come around, okay, this will be 8.4 gram. So my answer is 8.4 gram HCl. So 5 gram of MnO2 needed 8.4 gram HCl for the reaction to happen. So this is the basic way with which we do questions of this type. Okay, and always remember, if there is only one quantity, one reactant's mass, number of molecules or anything is given, there is no concept of limiting reagent. I hope you understood the explanation. If you have any doubt, please feel free to come back. And for seeing more lectures, please subscribe the channel. Okay, thank you.